I am your communication coach for the next 30 days. I've been working as a consultant in Fortune 500 companies, and I'm very much excited to work with you. Many Sapos employees, like Leslie from customer support, still feel uncertain about their job expectations. This is natural since the holocratic approach is new. However, this approach could lead to disaster without proper communication across the company. Change and clarity of direction must come from you, the leader. Holacracy can be likened to circles, while traditional management is a triangle. Imagine a sun, bright and illuminating, or a ripple of water disturbed from silence. You are the sun of the company, providing warmth and direction. The center of the ripple. When passing your message across, think of the levels of atmospheres. Let's start with first layer, the fundamentals. As CEO of Sapos, you must stay grounded in your personal purpose that aligns with company values. Understanding what drives you helps convey your message clearly. Please answer a questionnaire called Passion Inventory with two sections. What do you do really well? And what triggers you? The next layer is human connection. In holacracy, people often hold roles in multiple circles and act as links between them. The company should add more spaces like rooms with artistic designs to foster diversity and creativity, or adopting AI technology to monitor and support every employee's emotional well being. The third layer is cultural intelligence. Every leader must be aware of the attitudes toward decision making and authority. Decision making can range from top down to consensual. Attitudes toward authority can vary from egalitarian to hierarchical. Adjust your management approach based on the quadrants you are working in. Group employees with similar cultural backgrounds to leverage the most effective approach. For example, employees from the United States, Canada, and the UK have a similar view of leadership and decision making, being egalitarian top down. However, having an employee from Sweden may not be effective as employees from this country, regardless of rank, engage in decision making, not just the leader. The fourth layer involves delivering a message across the company, best crafted within a story. Consider four lenses when crafting your message: narrative, data, delivery, and audience. Create a compelling story that resonates with your audience and prompt actions. The final layer includes techniques. You appear confident and authoritative. Here are six effective gestures to adopt. Practice delivery with open gestures and confident pose. Over the next 30 days, we'll implement a sprint plan to integrate these layers into your communication style. Weekly feedback sessions will ensure adjustments and progress. Let's work together to revitalize morale and inspire success at Sapos. Thank you.